Nowadays, more people are turning to natural remedies to address ailments and maintain their health. These treatments are often considered safer than conventional medicines, which can come with numerous side effects. Among the most powerful and versatile natural remedies are honey, garlic, and apple cider vinegar. Their medicinal properties have been recognized and valued for centuries. Garlic is packed with allicin, a potent compound with anti-inflammatory and anti-aging benefits. It also has remarkable effects in combating various infections when consumed. Honey, on the other hand, is a natural antiseptic loaded with vitamins, minerals, and enzymes. Meanwhile, apple cider vinegar brings its unique strengths to the mix, particularly its ability to fight obesity and improve digestion. When combined, these three natural ingredients create a potent remedy that can address numerous health concerns. This combination strengthens the immune system, aids in weight management, soothes digestive issues, and more. Recipe: honey, garlic, and apple cider vinegar mixture. Ingredients: 10 garlic cloves, 1 cup raw organic honey, 1 cup apple cider vinegar, with the mother. Instructions: 1. Peel and crush the garlic cloves. 2. Combine the garlic, honey, and apple cider vinegar in a container. 3. Mix well, then transfer the mixture to a small jar. 4. Store the jar in the refrigerator. How to use: take 2 tablespoons of this mixture every morning on an empty stomach for the best results. Tips for optimal results: always use fresh, organic ingredients, opt for raw honey and apple cider vinegar that contains the mother, visible as sediment at the bottom of the bottle. Be sure to shake the vinegar bottle well before use. Avoid using garlic that feels spongy or has dried out. You'll start noticing significant improvements in your health within just a few days of using this natural remedy.